In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users to Smartsheet. Team Collaboration 2026. Let's get started at smartsheet.com. Open your browser and type the address directly to make sure you're on the official site. Once the page loads, sign into your Smartsheet account. You can use your email and password or your organization's single sign-on if that's set up. Keep this part simple and quick. Just authenticate the way you normally do. After you log in, you'll land on your home page. This is your hub for recent items and quick access to your work. Take a second to notice the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for sheets, reports, dashboards, and more. Knowing where things live will make user management smoother later. Now, look to the top of the interface for your profile icon, often in the upper right corner. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose User Management. Smartsheet will open this area in a new tab or panel, where all your account and user controls are centralized. Inside User Management, look to the top left for the Add Users button. Go ahead and click Add Users to start inviting people to your plan. You'll see a form to add user information. Enter the first name, last name, and email address for each person you want to invite. Double-check the email for accuracy. One typo can delay access. Next, assign roles based on what the person needs to do. Licensed user grants the ability to create and delete Smartsheet items, ideal for collaborators who build sheets, reports, or dashboards. Plan Asset Admin can rename, delete, and manage access to Smartsheet items. This role requires a license and is best for someone who needs to control ownership and permissions across assets. System Admin has the ability to manage users and account settings. Reserve this for trusted administrators who handle licenses, security settings, and account-level controls. As you assign roles, keep an eye on available licenses within your plan. You can always adjust roles later if someone's responsibilities change. If you're unsure, start with the least permissive role that still enables their work, then scale up as needed. When everything looks good, click Invite. Smartsheet will send an invitation email to the person, and they'll appear in your user list, typically as pending until they accept. Once they join, you can further refine their permissions on specific sheets and workspaces. That's it. You've navigated to user management, added user details, assigned the right role, and sent the invite. Everything you need to bring new teammates into Smartsheet securely and efficiently.